there's preferred returns anywhere from 4% to 20%. And it really varies depending on the investment class. And oftentimes when you see really, really high preferred returns, they're typically fixed. I'm talking 16, 18, 20% preferred returns. It's typically a fixed preferred return. You don't get a share of profits over and above that. And typically, the operator is taking a huge fee on the front end that they're hiding in the disclosures in some capacity. And so oftentimes you see that in the development deals like I was talking about earlier. You see that in a number of instances where an operator will pitch a really, really high preferred return, and it's a fixed preferred return it's capped, and then they're taking their fees on the front end. They're not worried about long-term alignment. Okay, and so as an investor, you should care about long-term alignment. So what we do, we structure our preferred return based on the amount of capital that an investor places with us. If you're an entry level at the entry level of our investments, you get one preferred return, and as that investment amount grows, you get a larger preferred return. That preferred return, all that is that's the percentage on your money that you're going to get paid before we, the operator, get to partake in a split of profits. Okay, and so that creates alignment with the operator because we don't take a big fee on the front end. We have anywhere from a 1% to 2% management fee. Okay, and so we're not taking a huge management fee along the way. 1% for our higher end investors that are on the upper end, and 2% for the entry side. And so we are looking to participate in the profits. We want those investments to perform as well as possible so that we get the highest profit split as possible. So after the preferred return, you start to see a split of profits. So the way that we structure ours is if you invested $100,000 and you're getting, let's say it's a 6% preferred rate of return. You earn that 6% each year over year, as long as your $100,000 is placed. If cash flow in year one is only 2%, you're still owed 4% before we get any split of profits.